So now that we have all of our holes drilled and we have everything prepped and ready to go, the next phase is to hang it. For now, for our purposes, we will be hanging it as opposed to it going up through a ceiling and then laying on top of the ceiling. But for right now, this is also an application that is done sometimes in a basement or a crawl space. There's other units. Most of our units that we use are vertical units, but they also make a modular unit that could be horizontal. So now we are ready to hang this duct. Let's pretend we already know our dimensions. We know what house we're building, which modules take which piece. This is a piece that's already on the shelf. It's been pre-made. It's ready to go. Sean and I are going to lift this up and hang it in from up here. But let's remember, again, this could be in a basement after a set, and this piece is going to be hanging on something here. But in our situation, for modular purposes, this is going to be going through a ceiling, through the top of our mechanical room, up and through, and then that piece will be sitting on top of the drywall and eventually on top of the 2x6s, the joists that are running through there. So let's go ahead and put this up on here, Sean.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, easy. So we just finished hanging this. We know that we are coming out of the mechanical room, and our joists, Sean, the joists for the ceiling of this modular structure are running this way, okay? This is drywall. So let's say this goes through the drywall ceiling. In a normal situation, this would probably be 2 or 3 feet of tower coming up. Drywall here. Now, this space here is usually anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of interstitial space. Up here would be where our floor joists are, also usually running in the same direction, and in best case scenarios, they are directly over our ceiling joists. It doesn't always happen that way, but we try to get it to where when we're running this piece of duct up in here, this is a piece of 9-inch duct, which gives us enough room that this is above the drywall and not into the floor joists. So there's enough room here. Again, we're within that 6-inch space there. If we needed to be bigger in a 10-inch and we had enough room, we would put it, if we had 8 inches in here, we would put a 10-inch piece to get more air flow to the duct. So right here, this is your joist, your ceiling joist. Theoretically, you'll have a floor joist up here, and this is running in your interstitial space, at which point in time this is where we will connect our small duct, and that too is running in the interstitial space. Thank you, Sean.
Okay.